Currently, the price of major altcoins, layer 1, layer 2s, and most importantly, Ethereum and Bitcoin are dumping quite heavily. I mean, not quite heavily as compared to the bullish momentum we have seen in the past few weeks, but definitely there is a lot of dump, and well, it is not much dump because I'm waiting for a big correction towards the downside. I don't know if that will happen or not, but it is a significant correction and also important to my important resistance zone, aka the support zone, the purple zone that I will discuss in my today's video. I hope you already know that for sure. And I informed you guys on my Twitter that I'm closing my Ethereum trade in a small amount of loss because obviously it was going against me, and I already knew that a small dump will come. The price of Ethereum was literally pumping in a straight line towards the upside, and I already knew that it can't just pump again towards the upside like this. It has to give a correction and then only pump. So how I make that call and how it benefit me and you guys, everything I will discuss in today's video, and what will happen in the future and any trade updates in the future as well, any setups that are right now going on. So everything I will discuss. So let's get straight to the point. Currently I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and I will just switch on the Ethereum's chart also in just a few minutes, but because right now Bitcoin is forming an important price action, so I've decided to show you guys this first. So currently the price of Bitcoin is seeing a downwards correction, and the most important thing is that I entered a long over here, and I did made a call that anyone, if you want to enter in a long, you can, but do your own analysis, do your own risk and money management, and this is just a suggestion. So currently we were in profit somewhat over here, and I did trailed my stop loss somewhat over here, so my stop loss got hit and I did manage to get out in a awesome profits right here. So congratulations to all of those. Again, one more profitable trade right here. But right now the most important thing is the price of Bitcoin is inside this important support aka resistance zone, which is from 68,900 or 68,800 approx all the way down to 65,200, and it is a very major important zone. You can note that down also. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame Bybit chart right here. You can note it down as well. So currently the most important thing is, if I move to the monthly time frame of Bitcoin here, you can clearly see a straight pump towards the upside. Not even one red candle, just green candle right here, incessant pump towards the upside, and especially after the spot Bitcoin ETF. Well, of course it is a very good news, and it is very good news for crypto and Bitcoin, but I am against it because it is somewhat clashing with the Bitcoin's nature, and I've already made a video about it as well and posted some tweets on it. So do follow me on my Twitter, and you will see there all my tweets, what I think about the Bitcoin spot ETF whole narrative. And because I'm not just hoping that, oh, okay, the Bitcoin's price will go towards the upside 100k, 1 million. No, I'm thinking of long-term perspective and what it can benefit me as a trader, as an investor, and what it can benefit you. I'm not just thinking about like a retailer mindset. Okay, so currently if I zoom in right now, the Bitcoin's monthly time frame, I already told you that the price of Bitcoin is pumping in a straight line, and right now the Bitcoin's price made an all-time high of 73,000, approx $74,000 level, but it is getting a rejection from here. And if this monthly candles, this means March monthly candle, if we close below this resistance zone, then obviously there will be sellers activated in this zone. There are chances that either we can see somewhat over a correction towards the downside or some sideways market before breaking again towards the upside, because of course I am expecting a new all-time high. But if you have watched this video right here popping on the screen and in my comment section also, then I've told you guys that why this time Bitcoin's price action is very weird, manipulative, and not going as it has to go, and we can see some kind of a different kind of targets this year or this bull run. So currently what I am expecting is that if the price of Bitcoin closes below this resistance line right here, whole resistance zone, well, typically, but importantly 68,900, 68,800 level, if it closes below it on the monthly daily time frame candle, then we can clearly see some kind of a reversal towards the downside, or maybe a small correction also. That's what I am expecting. So let's see, because already there are a lot of green candles pumping towards the upside. There has to be some kind of a buyer's exhaustion and some kind of a seller's entry here as well. And also these are just some major coins in the crypto market, and not just about the major coins but also the major L2s, L1 altcoins. All majority of the crypto is currently in a downtrend, in a dumping right now, mostly, as you all know. And Solana is currently pumping because of the meme coin and the meme season, because lately with the help of Bonk and Dog Wave Hat and now some new meme coins coming, they all require Solana. So obviously Solana will pump, definitely, for sure it will pump as well. It's just the meme season, so very good for the Solana blockchain as well. But if I look clearly, every other crypto is right now dumping towards the downside, and it is in a red. 4, 5%, 10%, 8%, 7% dump in every major crypto right here. And that's what I'm saying, that whenever the price of Bitcoin dumps or pumps, each and every crypto, majority of them will be respected. Even if you do any analysis on any crypto, like for example you just picked any random coin from Bybit or Binance or any other, and your analysis is saying bullish, 100% you are confirmed it will go bullish. Yes, it will go bullish until and unless if the price of Bitcoin starts to dump. Can be about a news, the main reason can be a news, or it's just a normal price action for Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin starts dumping, then definitely each and every coin will start dumping as well. So I hope you understand that. And now lastly I'll be talking about Ethereum. So currently, before talking about Ethereum, let me tell you that currently I'm not in any trade right now. No trade updates, because even if I find any good setup on any coin, it all depends on Bitcoin whether it will pump or not. And what I am expecting is that this is a small dump towards the downside for the price of Bitcoin. I am expecting a good dump. That's why I'm not entering in any long position either in Bitcoin or any other coin right now, either Ethereum or any other, because even if I entered and the Bitcoin's price dumped, eventually every other coin will dump. So that's why I'm just waiting. Yes, I can be wrong too, and just after I post this video, the price of Bitcoin again starts pumping towards the upside. Well, that can happen again. No one knows about the future. This is just what I'm thinking, and this is just what my analysis right now is saying to me. Okay, so lastly, talking about the Ethereum's price, I hope you all know the price of Ethereum perfectly was coming to all my levels right here. These are same levels, I have not changed them at all. You can clearly see the price of Ethereum when it did respected here, here, and now you can clearly see the price of Ethereum did a fake out above this important purple zone from 3,997, I mean approx $4,000, and from all the way down till 3,800 it did a fake out, and now it is getting a rejection. And what I am expecting is that there are chances the price of Ethereum, if this today's daily candle closes somewhat over here only, the price of Ethereum can come down again towards this white important support zone to get some support and get a retest also. And same thing just as Bitcoin, that if the price of Ethereum on the monthly time frame closes below this purple zone right here, then there are chances that the price of Ethereum can see some kind of a bearish candle or a sideways market for a few weeks or months before again pumping towards the upside. Because the same case is here with the Ethereum also, it is pumping in a straight line towards the upside, and there are chances that there has to be some kind of entry of sellers as well. So this is just a quick update on Ethereum and Bitcoin and every other coin. Currently I don't think it is the right time to enter. I will wait for a perfect setup to happen, and definitely I will enter again according to my setups. So Let's see what happens. This is just a quick update video on why the dump is happening and how long can the dump last. So guys, I hope you understand in today's video what I'm trying to say to y'all, what I'm trying to explain, and do grab some knowledge from this video as well, because I know it is a quick short video, but it is very knowledgeable if you understand all the levels and how price respects the candlestick psychology when sellers enter the market, when the buyers are exhausted or when the sellers are exhausted as well, and how the general crypto market works, because it does work on emotions more than in normal technical analysis, and that's what I've learned in the past few years. So I hope you understand from it. So yeah, if you want to trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit, Binance, OKX, BitGet, any crypto you want. Link of all these exchanges are in the description. You can create an account for free on all of these exchanges, and also you can get thousands of dollars of bonuses in all these exchanges. But do remember, these are all deposit bonus. That means you have to deposit some kind of amount, then only you will get the bonus. But if you want to create an account for trading or just buying crypto, then you can definitely check the links below, and do watch the video that I have mentioned. It is also in the comment box as well, pinned at the top comment box, and just give your feedback on what do you think about that video and my analysis. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.